Black has always been called the queen of colors, elegant, slimming, powerful. But here's the truth. No one tells us. Not every shade of black, not every texture, and not every style works the same once we pass 60. Sometimes, what we think looks classic can actually drain the warmth from our skin, harden our features, or hide the radiance that makes us unique as mature black women. But don't worry, sis. Today, we're changing that narrative. In this video, we're diving into 7 common mistakes black women over 60 make when wearing black clothes, and how to fix each one with simple, stylish tweaks that make you glow. So get comfortable, grab your favorite tea, and let's rediscover how to wear black beautifully, boldly, and confidently. Because elegance has no age limit. And while you're here, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss out on these empowering fashion moments. Tell me in the comments, where are you watching from, my beautiful queens? Let's start by talking about the first few mistakes many of us make when dressing in black. Not because we don't know style, but because black can be a tricky friend. It flatters, yes, but it can also flatten if we're not careful. Mistake number 1, wearing all matte black with no texture. Matte fabrics like cotton or jersey can sometimes absorb light instead of reflecting it, leaving your outfit looking dull or heavy. On deeper skin tones that can make our complexion lose its natural glow. The fix? Mix textures. Combine a silky blouse with structured pants or a soft knit with a leather accent. The subtle play of light gives depth and movement, and suddenly black feels alive again. It's not about color, it's about dimension. Mistake number 2, ignoring undertones. Yes, black is black, but not quite. Some blacks lean cool, with blue undertones, while others are warmer and softer. Wearing the wrong undertone can make your skin appear ashy or tired. To find your match, hold the fabric near your face in natural light. If your complexion glows next to it, that's your shade. If it dulls you, try another tone. And remember, accessories can correct undertones too. Add gold jewelry for warmth or silver for coolness. Mistake number 3, overlooking fit and structure. As we age, our posture, curves, and silhouettes change, beautifully so. But loose or shapeless black clothes can hide that grace. Instead of oversized everything, go for structured softness. A blazer that defines the shoulders, high-waisted trousers that lift, or a wrap dress that accentuates the waist. Fit doesn't mean tight, it means intentional. When black clothing is tailored, it stops swallowing the body and starts celebrating it. Fashion is not just fabric, it's energy. Each stitch tells the world how you see yourself. And when you choose pieces that highlight your beauty rather than mute it, black becomes your most elegant ally. If you're already thinking, I might be guilty of 1 or 2 of those, don't worry, that's exactly why we're here. This is about awareness, not perfection. We're elevating, evolving, and enjoying every step of it together. And before we move on to the next section, beautiful, take a second to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next styling secrets. Drop a comment below telling me which of these first 3 mistakes surprised you the most, because this is your space to grow and glow. Now, let's keep going. In the next part, we'll explore how the weight of the fabric, the cut, and even your body's movement can completely change how black works for you, especially after 60. Now let's go deeper. Because sometimes the problem isn't the black outfit itself, but how it interacts with your body's rhythm, your confidence, and your evolution as a woman. Black is powerful, but it can also be overpowering when we don't let ourselves shine through it. Mistake number 4, choosing heavy fabrics that weigh you down. As we mature, comfort becomes essential, but comfort shouldn't come at the cost of movement or grace. Thick, heavy fabrics like dense wool or stiff polyester can make you look and feel bulkier than you are. The solution? Lighter fabrics with structure. Think crepe, chiffon, or soft satin. They flow, breathe, and still hold shape. These fabrics allow you to move with elegance, catching light as you walk. Remember, fabric weight affects not just your comfort, but your entire presence. Mistake number 5. Forgetting about proportion. Head-to-toe black can visually compress your figure if everything has the same volume or shape. If your top is loose, balance it with a slimmer pant. If you love wide-leg trousers, pair them with a fitted top or belted blazer. Play with balance, because proportion creates harmony. This isn't about hiding, it's about highlighting the best of you. Mature beauty thrives on symmetry and intention. Let's pause for a second. If any of these tips are giving you those aha moments, don't keep them to yourself. Like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss these golden style conversations. And tell me in the comments, which part of your wardrobe do you struggle to style most? Your tops, your dresses, or those statement pieces you never wear but can't let go of? I love hearing from you, and your answers help shape the next videos we create together. Mistake number 6, neglecting the power of movement. This one's subtle but important. When every piece of your outfit is stiff, from the jacket to the skirt to the shoes, the look can feel static. Black should flow with you, not fight against you. Choose pieces that move when you move, fabrics that ripple when you walk, accessories that dance in the light. Fluidity adds youthfulness, not in age, but in energy. These adjustments don't just make your outfit more flattering, they make it more alive. They let your style breathe, because fashion for mature women isn't about chasing trends, it's about mastering presence. When your black outfit moves, fits, and balances beautifully, it doesn't age you, it amplifies your elegance. Up next, we'll dive into the final mistakes that have nothing to do with fabric or cut, and everything to do with finishing touches, color balance, accessories, and that attitude that makes black unmistakably yours. Stay tuned. This next part will transform how you see your wardrobe forever. We've talked about fabric, fit, and flow. But now it's time to get into the magic details that turn a simple black outfit into a statement of grace and sophistication. Because the truth is, the final touches can make or break your look. Mistake number 7, forgetting contrast and personality. Yes, black is timeless, but without contrast, it can wash out even the most radiant skin. When we wear black head to toe with no variation, we risk losing that warmth, that glow, that sparkle that defines us as women of color. The solution? Bring life back with contrast. Add metallics, warm-toned jewelry, or a pop of color in your makeup. Gold hoops, a bronze shimmer on the cheek, or even a bold berry lip instantly brings your look from flat to fabulous. Another subtle mistake? Wearing black that competes with your undertone. Cool blacks can clash against warmer complexions, while warmer blacks can sometimes dull cooler tones. The fix: balance your outfit with color at your neckline or face. A silk scarf, a statement necklace, or even a rich lipstick shade can transform your entire aura. And let's talk accessories. Under-accessorizing is one of the most common mistakes after 60. Some women fear looking too much, but trust me, there's power in a well-placed statement. A structured bag, a dramatic earring, or a chic belt can define your silhouette and command attention. It's not about extravagance, it's about confidence. Accessories give your outfit voice. Then there's the invisible but crucial mistake: attitude. You can wear the most beautifully styled outfit, but if you walk without confidence, black becomes a shadow instead of a statement. Confidence is the brightest accessory you'll ever own. Straighten those shoulders, lift your chin, and remember that your beauty carries history, experience, and grace. Black should enhance that, not hide it. Imagine this: you stepping into a room wearing a perfectly balanced black outfit, the fabric flowing, the fit sculpting, the jewelry catching light. People don't just see black, they see you. That's the power of refinement, and it belongs to you at every age. Now, if you're loving this transformation and you're ready to take it further, click on the card that just popped up. It'll take you to another video all about fashion for black women that dives even deeper into color, elegance, and expression. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one. It's going to elevate your wardrobe to a whole new level. Up next, we'll pull everything together, turning these lessons into real, wearable looks that celebrate who you are today. Now that we've uncovered all 7 mistakes and their fixes, let's bring it all together. Because understanding style is one thing, but living it is another. This is where we transform knowledge into elegance, and elegance into confidence. Let's start with a full look that many women love: the classic all-black, casual chic outfit. Picture this: a pair of matte black trousers, a cotton turtleneck, and simple flats. Safe, right? But also a little too flat. Here's how we elevate it. Swap the matte trousers for a soft crepe pant that drapes beautifully. Trade the plain turtleneck for a ribbed knit or silk blouse to add light play. Add gold hoops or a long pendant necklace to brighten the face, and finish with a structured belt to give the outfit shape. Suddenly, the same black outfit looks radiant, polished, yet effortless. Now let's move into an elegant evening transformation. Many women think that dressing up in black means throwing on a heavy dress and hoping for glamour. But real glamour is in movement and detail. Try a flowing chiffon midi dress with sheer sleeves that let your skin peek through softly. Add a satin clutch for contrast, and wear statement earrings that catch the light as you move. Complete the look with a rich lip color, maybe plum, bronze, or deep red. This isn't just dressing up, it's storytelling through fabric. When you master these combinations, black becomes a background that highlights you. It's no longer hiding or overpowering. It's framing your elegance, your strength, your journey. Here's another secret: the power of layering with intention. A black outfit doesn't mean monochrome in mood. Add a soft gray shawl, a camel coat, or an ivory scarf. These subtle tones lift black and make it look luxurious. Layering adds depth, making your style feel sophisticated, not repetitive. And for my ladies who love prints, yes, prints can live with black. A printed scarf, a patterned shoe, or a pop of texture keeps your outfit current and full of life. And let's not forget makeup and hair, because they are part of your fashion story. A black outfit is the perfect canvas for glowing skin and defined features. A touch of bronzer, a nude gloss, or silver accents in your hair can add that soft light that black sometimes absorbs. Style isn't just what you wear. It's how you present the masterpiece that is you. Everything we've discussed today isn't about changing who you are. It's about enhancing what's already there. Maturity brings clarity, and with it comes a deeper kind of beauty, poised, self-assured, and magnetic. So the next time you reach for black, do it with intention. Choose pieces that flow, fabrics that breathe, accessories that shine, and most importantly, an attitude that says, I know exactly who I am. Because when you wear black well, you don't disappear into it. You own it. Now, as we wrap up these transformations, get ready for one final message. A reminder of why your style at 60 and beyond isn't about trends. It's about timelessness, confidence, and celebrating the woman you've become. So, my beautiful queens, we've seen that black can be our best friend or our biggest challenge, depending on how we wear it. The secret isn't in avoiding black, but in mastering it. When you choose the right fabrics, play with texture, respect your undertones, and dress with intention, black transforms from simple to stunning. Remember, elegance doesn't fade with age, it refines. Your style at 60 and beyond should tell your story. Confident, radiant, and full of life. So next time you wear black, do it like the masterpiece you are, glowing, graceful, and absolutely unforgettable. If this inspired you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that bell, so you never miss the next video made just for stylish, mature black women like you. And I'd love to know, where are you watching from, my beautiful sister? Let's celebrate our community around the world, because style, my love, knows no borders and no age.